Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install NetBeans and Java JDK on Windows. For this, let me open CMD at first. So I'll run it as administrator, and if I say here Java version, here you can see Java is not recognized, so we have to install Java at first. So to install Java, we have to say Java JDK download. Go here, Java downloads. Then here you can see we have different version here. So we just have to go to that Windows version, and then here you can see MSI installer. So we have to install this one. Okay, so download here, and you can see it start downloading. I'm going to pause the video, and when the download will be complete, I will be back. So here you can see we have downloaded the JDK. So double click on it, select next, and here you can see C program. So yes, I want to install there, but if you want to install somewhere else, you can actually click here change and then select the drive. But for me, I'm actually going to install it in C drive. So the next, select yes. I have already installed it, JDK. Now let's go for the NetBeans IDE. So to do this, we just have to download NetBeans IDE. So to download this NetBeans IDE, you have to search here NetBeans download, and click here the first link, and here you can see Apache NetBeans 25. So click on the download, and then go for this 64.exe version. Okay, Apache NetBeans 25 bin Windows x64. So click here and then click in the HTTP here. So it will actually start downloading, and I have already downloaded it. So now let's go for the installation. Here you can see, so double click on it, yes, click on next, I accept, then next. So if you install your JDK in different drive, you can click on browse and go through the drive and then add this drive here, and then click on next and then install. Click on finish. So you have already installed JDK and NetBeans. So now let's go once again. I want to go to CMD, and here I'm going to search Java version. I'm going to write it and press enter, and here you can see Java version is 24.0.1. and now let's say I want to check the Java compiler. So I will say Java C version, and here you can see we have also the compiler. Now we have to set the environment variable, and that is, so I have to go to C drive and then program files, then here you can see Java, then JDK 24, and then bin. So I just have to copy this URL, I mean path, copy it, and here I have to search for environment. So I have to set environment, and here is the thing. So just click here, edit the system environment variables to add variables, and here you have to click, okay, and then go for the path here, system variable, and then click on edit, select here new, and then paste it. Okay, done. So now you can actually do coding in NetBeans. If I double click on it, it will be open. So this is the interface. Here you can see, so we can actually create project here. All right, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.